Hello students, welcome back to our English grammar class. Today our topic is tense. So we will do simple present tense and present continuous tense. You have done this earlier also, but we will do it again as this is in your course. So for example, if I will say that I walk, right? Usually we tell the routine of our life or our whatever we are doing, we tell with the help of present tense, which is simple present tense. That means I walk, I play, I study, I write, I sing, I dance. These all are simple present tense. In this tenses we use words like usually, generally, every day, always, etc. Okay, so for example, if I'll say usually I wake up 6 o'clock in morning. See, then every day I drink a cup of tea before starting my work. The same way we will tell our routine by using simple present tense. In your book you can see the paragraph is given in which a girl is telling her routine. For example, we will see that example in your book, that is, hi, I am Mani. I usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I learn classical music and dash dash dash. So she is telling her routine. For this we use simple present tense. It is also used to tell universal truth. What is universal truth? For example, sun rises in the east, sun sets in the west. So this is the universal truth. We cannot change this, right? हम sun को if we want to rise the sun from south, so can we? No. So this is the universal truth which nobody can change. That's why here simple present tense is used to make this type of sentences. Now a rule for this is, you can see here I, you, we, they, Renu and Sonu. We will use verb first form. One example I have taken, study, or you can say play, or many verbs you can use. Okay, so verb first form will be used with which words? I, you, we, they, Renu and Sonu. Means if two names are given in your sentence, at that time you will use verbs first form, like study, studied, studied. This is the second form, studied, right? So we will use first form, study, play, write, drink, eat. Eat. What is the second form and third form of eat? Eat, ate, eaten. So ate and eaten we will not use, only eat. First form we can use in simple present tense with I, you, we, they, Renu and Sonu. Now this one, he, she, it, Neetu. Any name we can take here. So with these words you will use verb first form plus s or es or ies. Means if study word if we will take, so study will become studies. If you will take play, so what will become play? Plays. Will you write plays with es or ies? No. We will write play with s only. Okay. So he plays, she plays, it plays, Neetu plays. But we cannot say you plays or we plays or Renu and Sonu plays. No. How we will say? They study. They studies. No. Okay. So this is the simple rule of simple present tense. Now we will come to present continuous tense. In this, actions are used which are continuously going on. For example, I am teaching. Right now I am teaching you. So this is present continuous tense. If I'll say I ate oranges yesterday. So this is not present continuous tense, right? Because I have already eaten. So I ate oranges. But in present continuous tense, what I will say? I am eating oranges. Means still I am eating. That's why I will use ing. So for present continuous tense, you have to keep in mind that whatever sentence is given, the action is going on. That's why you will use the word ing with the verb. We'll see the formula for this. That is, first you can see here I have written helping verbs are used. That is, helping verbs are, we have learned earlier also, is, am, are. These are helping verbs. Now formula for this present continuous tense is subject plus helping verb plus ing and object. Yeah, here I have to add helping verb and verb plus ing. Okay, so we'll see one example here. Subject, if I'll take I. Helping verb, which helping verb I will use with I? Is, am or are? Am. Okay, so I am. Am is a helping verb. Subject we have taken, helping verb also we have taken. Now verb plus ing. So which verb we will take? We'll take teach, because I am teaching you, right? So I'll write teach. But I have to make sentence in present continuous tense. So what I will do? This is the verb, teach. So I will add ing. So with teach I will add ing. So I am teaching. Now object. Object is not compulsory. If object is there, it's okay. If there is no object, no problem. So I am teaching in the class. Or many sentences we can make. I am teaching in 4th class. I am teaching in the next class. Many sentences we can make with this formula. So most important is that you should learn this formula. Formula is very simple. Subject, helping verb, then verb plus ing and object. Now verb plus ing means main verb. Means whatever action you are doing, like I am teaching, maybe you can change here like I am studying. I am studying in 4th class, you can say. Then I am eating, I am dancing, I am singing. This way you can make present continuous tenses sentences. So I hope you have understood. So simple tenses, very simple. You have to remember this box which has given in your book. So you will learn this. You just have to remember this. Okay. Then in present continuous tense you will learn the formula. Now in your book you can see exercise A. See 51, page number 51. You have exercise A and exercise B also. Both exercises you will do. In A exercise you can see first example, Mr. Jha is a teacher. She dash in Pune public school. So verb is given, that is teach. So what we will use here with she, which verb we use? See here is she. So with she you have to use S/IES or ES. So with teach, which S you will use? ES. So she teaches in Pune public school. The same way you will solve the exercise. And if you feel any doubt, you can call me and you can ask me the answers and solutions. Okay? Till then, bye.